Hello everyone! Today we're making Millionaire Shortbread, a classic British dessert with a buttery shortbread base, rich caramel, and smooth chocolate. Start by adding 250 grams of room temperature unsalted butter to a mixing bowl. Beat it until it's smooth and creamy. Next, add 100 grams of caster sugar. After adding the sugar, mix it well with the butter using a whisk. One teaspoon of vanilla extract. The vanilla extract adds a deeper flavor and enhances the sweetness of the shortbread. Half a teaspoon of salt and 1 egg yolk. The egg yolk helps bind the ingredients together and gives the dough a richer taste and a more tender texture. Beat everything with a mixer until the mixture is light and fluffy. This helps dissolve the sugar and gives the shortbread a tender, crumbly texture. Now add 240 grams of all-purpose flour. Mix just until a soft dough forms. Don't overmix, or the shortbread won't be as delicate. Look at this beautiful golden dough we have. After baking, it will become soft, buttery, and perfectly crumbly. Now we need to prepare a baking tray. I'm using a 30 by 20 centimeter tin. Grease it lightly with butter so the parchment paper sticks firmly to the surface. Now transfer the dough into the prepared tin and spread it out evenly. Now place it in the oven and bake for 25 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius. Now we're going to make the caramel. Add 115 grams of butter to a saucepan, 200 grams of light brown sugar, 400 grams of condensed milk, which is about 1 full can, and 60 grams of golden syrup. Before placing the saucepan on the heat, I forgot to mention that you need to mix all the ingredients thoroughly until they are fully combined. Place the saucepan over low heat and keep stirring constantly. This prevents the caramel from sticking and burning on the bottom of the pan. Cook for about 15 minutes until the sugar has completely dissolved and the caramel starts to gently bubble. Once the sugar has melted and the caramel has turned slightly darker, pour it over the cooled shortbread base. Spread it evenly to the edges using a silicone spatula. Be careful, because the caramel is extremely hot. Place the tin in a cool place and leave it until the caramel has set. Now we're going to make the chocolate ganache. Take 250 grams of dark chocolate and chop or break it into small pieces. This will help it melt more easily over a bain-marie. You can also use milk chocolate, but in that case use less double cream, because milk chocolate is softer and sweeter. Transfer the chocolate into a glass or metal bowl. Do not use a plastic bowl, as it can melt from the heat. Place a saucepan with water on the stove and bring it to a boil. Add 150 grams of double cream to the dark chocolate. If you're using milk chocolate, add half the amount of cream, around 70 grams. Stir with a spatula until the ganache becomes smooth and has an even texture, just like mine. If needed, you can add a little more cream to adjust the consistency. Take the cooled caramel layers and use a silicone spatula to spread the chocolate ganache on top. Smooth the chocolate evenly with the spatula and place it in the refrigerator for 15 to 20 minutes until the chocolate has set. After that, take the Millionaire shortbread out of the refrigerator and cut it into even portions. For the cleanest cuts, use a sharp knife and wipe it between each slice. This will help create neat, professional-looking pieces. Look at how beautiful it looks when cut open. 3 perfectly even layers, a soft and buttery shortbread base, a rich layer of caramel, and a smooth chocolate topping. The combination of textures makes every bite incredibly delicious. A perfect balance of sweetness, creaminess, and a delicate crunch. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you in the next video.